Meghalaya witnessed the official launch of its first exclusive quiz-based gaming platform, Quizidiofyia, at the Shillong Press Club on Friday. CEO Batskhemlang Kharsantiu introduced the platform as a quiz-centric initiative designed for both youngsters and adults, aiming to make learning fun, competitive and rewarding. Quizidiofyia hosts live online quiz contests thrice a week with real-time results and instant cash prizes for winners. Participants must be Indian residents aged 18 and above, and registration is open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on contest days.
We made that this contest will support the tutorial of the student. So we need some events that it will support. So that additional features will be happening by next 6 months. We are giving free tutorial to the student. They can access anywhere.